His publishers, where's Chepkonga? I think come up, Your Excellency, for the better view, and demonstrate. Well done. When you go to the men's conference, walk the same way, and you'll be acquitted of all the charges. Your Excellency, it's a Bible for you. Mama Rachel, it's a Bible for you. Brother Rigiji, Your Excellency, this is a Bible for you. Mama Dokas, this is a Bible for you. And may these Bibles be part of the journey to a more hopeful Kenya as we believe in the Word of God.
Thank you.
Thank you, Excellency.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Let me call Cosmas Gatere, Esquire, to give the last prayer.
Thank you very much, Senator. We can be as we're upstanding and as the choir comes on the stage. I just want to acknowledge one group that is crucial to the success of this event,